5과 주말 잘 보내세요.
O is number 5. Gua is chapter number 5. Chumal is weekend. Chal is better. Phone is spend. Or seo is kindly. So chumal chal phone seo. Have a great weekend.
안녕히 주무세요.
Anyonghi chumuseo is good night for the person who is older than you.
잘 자요.
Chal chayo is also good night.
안녕히 주무셨어요?
Anyonghi chumushasoyo is actually past tense. The osoyo attached at the end of the sentence. The actual meaning is Anyonghi chumushasoyo is did you sleep better last night?
네, 잘 잤어요.
Ne, yes, chal chasayo. You sleep better last night. This is asayo is also attached. This is also past tense. The actual meaning is you sleep better last night and it's like good morning.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Chal mogessamnida. Chal is better. Mok is eat. Guess is future tense and samnida for respect. Chal mogessamnida actual meaning is I will eat better.
많이 드세요.
Mani is more. Thasyo eat. More eat. Enjoy your meal. Like enjoy your meal. But the actual meaning is eat more.
잘 먹었습니다.
Chal mogossamnida. Chal is better. Mok is eat. Ossamnida. This is past tense. So the actual meaning is I already eat better.
네,
Ne, yes.
주말 잘 보내세요.
Chumal, weekend. Chal, better. Phone, spend. Seo, kindly. Kindly spend your weekend better.
네, 주말 잘 보내세요.
Ne, yes. Chumal, chal, boneseo. You also have a nice weekend.
축하합니다.
Chukkahamnida is congratulations.
감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida is thank you.